Hello everyone, let's talk about the Sanpyl I226-V Gigabit Ethernet adapter, a potential game changer for your network speeds. This little card promises to boost your connection up to 2.5 gigabits per second, which is a significant jump from the standard gigabit Ethernet we've all been used to. First impressions are solid. The card itself feels well built, featuring an aluminum alloy heatsink. This is a nice touch, as it helps dissipate heat and maintain stable performance, especially during demanding tasks like gaming or large file transfers. The PCI interface is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, supporting X1, X4, X8, and X16 slots. The gold-plated pins are a welcome addition, ensuring good electrical conductivity and resistance to oxidation, which translates to a longer lifespan for the card. The heart of this adapter is the I226-V chip, which is responsible for delivering those impressive 2.5 gigabits per second speeds. In practice, this means noticeably faster downloads, smoother online gaming experiences, and more responsive live streaming. Of course, to fully utilize these speeds, you'll need a compatible router and internet plan that supports 2.5 gigabits per second. One of the great things about this adapter is its versatility. It comes with a low-profile bracket, making it suitable for various PC builds, including desktops, workstations, servers, and even mini tower cases. This is a thoughtful inclusion that ensures compatibility with a wider range of systems. Compatibility is another strong point. The Sanpyl adapter is backward compatible with 2.5 gigabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and 100 megabits per second networks, so you don't have to worry about it not working with your existing setup. It also supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11, as well as Mac OS. This makes it a great option for users with different operating systems. In terms of real-world performance, the Sanpyl I226-V Ethernet adapter delivers on its promises. Users have reported significant improvements in network speeds compared to their previous gigabit Ethernet connections. Online gaming is smoother, downloads are faster, and live streaming is more reliable. Overall, the Sanpyl I226-V Gigabit Ethernet adapter is a solid upgrade for anyone looking to boost their network speeds. It's well-built, versatile, and compatible with a wide range of systems. If you're looking to take your network performance to the next level, this adapter is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.